savings. We're back with our good friend today, Jen Fallon, at morningsave.com to bring you guys the coolest, hottest, biggest deals on really good stuff.
Kind of our theme today is deals from all of the categories that are like the most popular overall that everyone loves when we have them. So we're covering cleaning, home, skincare, and electronics. So something for everyone here. And we're going to start with cleaning. This right here is the Yuffie Robovac 15T robotic vacuum cleaner. And you know, there's a reason that people love these robots. It cleans hardwood floors to medium pile carpets, and it runs for more than 1.5 hours before it navigates itself all the way back to its base to recharge. So literally you have to do nothing. You just sit back. Nothing, not a thing. I was typing the other day and I saw this thing go right by my door. I was like, oh, I'm multitasking without actually having to multitask. You let this thing do the work for you.
I love it.
This one also, just, you know, to call out some of the special features, it operates with the included remote control, right? So you've got this here, or you can use the touch panel if you prefer. But it's also compatible with Alexa and Google. So you can set it up in any way that makes your life easier. So you kind of can customize your options. And we've seen this sold for as much as $200. But today we have got it for just $119. That is 41% off.
Amazing. Yay.
So we've got the floor clean. Now we're going to make the air feel clean too with our next popular category that is home. So this here is the Bonico Personal Feel Good Bundle Pack for healthy air. And we've got a personal aroma diffuser and ionizer, and that's going to help remove the particles and allergens from the air while you enjoy all of your favorite essential oil scents. There's a personal humidifier. So I'm going to turn this one on right now. Give it a little press. So check it out.
You know, when we're in New York City, you can't control the heat in apartment buildings. It just comes at you. And it gets super, super dry. And it gives me great relief to sleep with a humidifier. That's great.
Yeah, I love this. It's personal size. There's a little ambient light in there. It's going to moisturize the air. I love it in the winter, especially because my eyes get so itchy. This keeps my office hydrated and the air hydrated. I just feel better when I have something like this. And you can change the color on it. So that's a nice little bonus too. And you get a personal fan for a nice refreshing breeze. We've got you covered for all 4 seasons here. And we've seen this set sold for as much as $90, but we've got it for you for just $49. So that is 46% off.
Again, wow, like half off. That's amazing. Keep it going. Keep it going. You're on a roll.
We are keeping the feel-good vibes going with a brand new skincare product. These are the almost famous Cryo cooling massage globes. Check these out. I am obsessed, and not just because they have purple sparkles. So these are the next big trend in skincare. You leave them in the fridge or the freezer, and the innovative cooling liquid inside keeps these globes ice cold for the length of your facial massage. So you can massage your face to help reduce puffiness. It helps to increase circulation, get rid of redness. Plus, it boosts the absorption of your other skincare products. I also love this. Like if I want to give myself a little cooling acupressure or to alleviate stress and headaches, I use these things all the time. So here's the deal. We've seen these sold for as much as $69 on the brand's website, but we've got these for you for just $19. That's 72% off. I have to share that. 72% savings.
Oh my gosh, that's like free.
I know, right? And then finally, every time we talk about electronics, specifically headphones, everyone goes wild. This time, we are going totally wireless with earbud style headphones at a great price. I'm wearing them. These are the Power to Go Alpha Pro True wireless earbuds with wireless charging. And we've got them in black, which I'm wearing, and white. They pair so quickly and easily with your phone, so you can answer and decline incoming calls and skip through your music with just a tap on the earbuds. Right on the side, there's a little button, so you can just tap and go. And the voice isolating microphone lets you have clear conversations. This charging case here, by the way, will deliver 4 recharges for 15 total hours of playtime. And they're water resistant and sweat proof. I mean, they're amazing. I'm wearing right now. I love them. So we've seen these sold for as much as $100 on the brand's website, but we've got them for $29. That is 71% off. And remember, these deals are available only while supplies last at morningsave.com. So you got to get on it.